Hello, my name is Matt West. I'm an engineering manager at Forum One. I'll be giving a talk at DrupalCon about the Drupal Workspaces module. Let me spend a few minutes giving a preview about what that talk will be about. Drupal Workspaces is a new core module that enhances content staging and previewing for teams that have to manage complex Drupal sites. If you're working on a high-traffic editorial platform or a government site or a content resource hub, Workspaces can streamline your publishing workflow. During this talk, I'll explore how the Workspaces module functions, why it matters, and how it integrates with Drupal's existing content moderation system. Workspaces is a module that allows you to create different staging environments within your website. So instead of making live updates directly, editors can preview, review, and approve content changes in an isolated space before publishing them. This replaces the need for separate pre-production staging environments where content editors would have to prototype content changes and would require either double content entry to the production website or require some developer involvement like syncing a database or running a migration or running the site content sync module. Let me give an example of why Workspaces is helpful. So imagine you're rolling out a new set of science resources on your education site. With the Workspaces module, instead of updating pages individually, you can stage all those changes, like new articles, updating some images, tweaks to the navigation. You can stage all of those in a dedicated workspace. This happens on the live production website, but within a workspace, it's only accessible by privileged users. Once those changes are reviewed and approved, everything goes live simultaneously. This ensures a seamless experience for your site visitors. Some key features of Workspaces are, one, you could have multiple workspaces at once. You could have separate environment workspaces for different initiatives, like some seasonal promotions or campaign launches or different educational content updates, you name it. The Workspaces module integrates with content moderation, so it works alongside Drupal's content moderation module, which allows editors to draft, review, and approve content before it's published. It can do batch publishing, so unlike traditional moderation workflows that push individual content changes live one by one, you can publish all of your changes at once with Workspaces with one click of the button. It supports role-based access control, so you can assign permissions about who can edit content in Workspaces and who can publish the Workspaces. And then thanks to some contrib modules, you can add additional functionality, like you can schedule workspace publishing at a certain time. You can create a live preview link of the workspace, so you can share content that's in progress in a workspace with users or people that are not logged into Drupal, so they can see what your stage content will look like when it's published later on. So Workspaces is ideal for teams that manage complex, high-stakes content. So if your organization relies on precise content scheduling, such as a news site or a government agency or an education platform, this module can greatly improve your editorial workflow. So that's an overview about what I'll be talking about at DrupalCon this year. If this topic is interesting to you, my session is titled Drupal Workspaces, Revolutionizing Content Staging and Workflows, and it will be on Tuesday, March 25th at 3 p.m., and I hope to see you there.